Hey everyone, it's Mike. I've got an unboxing for you today of the new white MacBook, 13-inch. It's the new Unibody MacBook. It's actually not mine. It is for one of my colleagues. He just bought it online, and I've got it here just because he needs me to help him set up some applications and everything. He's not really 100% sure how to set everything up, so I'm going to go ahead and help him out and get it set up and get it to him in the next day or two. So not really going to have much time to do any testing or anything. Just need to get it unboxed, get it ready, and get it back to the rightful owner. So please join me for this unboxing. So I did open the tops of the regular corrugated cardboard box just to double check to make sure it was the right product when it arrived a little bit earlier today. But of course this is just a plain box, so there's nothing special about that. Just plain, as you can see, it's just got the MacBook box inside. Some holders here. Take that out. Nothing more in that box here. Take that out of the frame. And then we have our white MacBook box here, which is covered in plastic. That's just simple to slide down. Alright, let's see this box now. MacBook on the front, 13-inch LED backlit widescreen notebook with the closed MacBook. And on the other side of the box, you've got the opened MacBook, what it looks like. On the top, we've got just a Mac logo and then all the specs, which I'll read off in just a moment. The one side here has an Apple logo. The other gives you an idea what you're about to open here. It includes iLife, advanced NVIDIA graphics, and a long-lasting battery, which is supposed to last 7 hours. Not sure about that though. And then just some barcode and product information on the bottom. Yeah. And there goes the seal. The box is now officially opened. Okay, let's start it up. Ooh, sorry. Took a long breath there before it started up. Just heard this roaring. Might take a little bit longer this first time, just because it's the first startup, so it needs to do a little bit of thinking and get ready to be set up into its initial OS 10 mode. Okay, we're going to use English.